This is an ORVIBO MIXPAD D1 Smart Touchscreen Dimmer Switch. I'm going to give you the steps to factory reset it. From the start screen, swipe to the right, scroll down to the bottom, click About, and then touch the device name. The reset button appears, and then tap the reset button, then tap Confirm. It takes about 30 seconds for it to factory reset and then restart. And now you're ready to set it up.